Let's face it, guys, property taxes in Texas are notoriously high, primarily due to our state's absence of an income tax. However, if you haven't been watching the news, we have some good news in the final quarter here of 2023. A landmark decision has been made by the Texas State and House. They have passed a massive $18 billion property tax cut legislation. So what does this mean for current Texas homeowners as well as people potentially looking to relocate to the state of Texas? Well, the current homestead exemption allows you to reduce your property tax value by $40,000, but that has now been increased to $100,000. This change is not just a minor adjustment, it's a substantial financial relief. For the average homeowner in the state of Texas, this translates to about a $1,500 annual savings in property tax. What's up, guys? My name is Casey McEwen, and I'm your local and trusted real estate agent here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And today I'm going to be discussing all things property taxes. But if you are finding this channel's content interesting and you're curious about more things Dallas-Fort Worth and find it valuable, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It truly helps out the channel. So now let's go ahead and jump right into property taxes. Now, the first issue with property taxes is most homeowners in the state of Texas feel cheated. Large in part just due to the incredibly high value of property taxes, but about 60% of properties in the state of Texas are actually overassessed. That means people are actually paying more property taxes than they should. Now, when I'm talking about property taxes, they are assessed annually by the county appraisal district based on size, location, condition, and market trends. Taxing entities include counties, cities, school districts, hospitals, and colleges, each with its own different tax rate. If you combine all of those together, that's what you get your total property tax bill at the end of the year. Now, in regards to property overassessment in Texas, the common causes of overassessment include inaccurate data, lack of familiarity with local conditions, timing of assessments, and subjectivity when it comes to appraisals. Now, just because properties are overassessed does not mean that you're going to be stuck paying that entire tax bill. My suggestion is that you review the assessment, gather evidence with a local trusted real estate agent, file an appeal with your local tax assessor's office, and attend a hearing if necessary. At the end of the day, I highly suggest that you seek professional assistance, like I just mentioned, with a professional real estate agent, or there are a ton of professional companies out there that will protest your taxes for you. And if they do wind up getting any kind of reduction, they're going to take a cut of that reduction or savings that you made. And at the end of the day, you're still saving money more so than if you wouldn't have protested your taxes in the first place. Now, if you're familiar with the housing market over the last really 5 years, especially in the state of Texas, this may be of no surprise to you, but home values have absolutely skyrocketed. Now, when home prices absolutely skyrocket, the county also has to take part and increase the appraised value. Now, when they increase the appraised value, that means people are paying substantially higher property taxes than, let's say, they just did maybe 5 years ago. So residential homeowners could see a significant tax savings. Now, small business owners and investors with properties valued below $5 million will also benefit from a cap on increases in taxable value. Now, the biggest thing when it comes to property taxes is understanding how to appeal property assessments. With the new legislation potentially reducing property taxes, it's more important than ever for homeowners to understand and appeal their property assessments if they believe they are overpaying. Again, as I stated earlier, make sure that you reach out to a professional, more than likely a real estate agent, who can run some comps, analyze the value of your property. And if you are sitting at a $300,000 property, but paying a $350,000 or $400,000 assessment, you're just giving more money away to your county, when in reality, that could be more money that you're saving and putting in your pocket. Now, one word of advice that I have for you is if you are looking to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below or reach out to me via my link tree in the description below. I would love to be the local agent that you know and trust that can potentially save you some money on your property taxes. But even beyond that, I'm well connected throughout the entire state of Texas. And if you aren't in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I can connect you with a great real estate professional that can run some comps for you and likely save some money for you, especially when you get your property tax value in 2024. And if you disagree wholeheartedly with it, that's when we need to get you someone to help you protest that tax bill. Now, if you have any further questions when it comes to property taxes or this massive bill that passed again back in November, thankfully for all of the individual homeowners in the state of Texas, leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll make sure to get back to every single person that reaches out. And again, I appreciate all the support. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.